hauler enthusiasts in 2021 wanted a 2-axle toy hauler with a 13-foot garage. They also wanted to see a toy hauler get lighter in weight than previous years. That's exactly what Dustin Swineman, our visionary behind the Cyclone 3713, has done. So today we're going to outline this floor plan and deliver more to you this year. Dustin, this isn't a new floor plan. The 3713, though, had some dramatic changes that you said we had to deliver for customers. So what was it that you changed?
So some of the major changes we needed, Will, was that we were fat.
Okay.
We were overweight. Didn't have enough capacity, not enough storage on a double axle unit. So we went through and changed a whole lot of things. We've taken almost 1,000 pounds out of this coach. So first off, we changed the glow technology graphics. It's going to glow at night. It has a unique look that you don't see with anything else. It looks good. It's an automotive grade paint, so that when you're traveling down the highway, the bugs, the grime and stuff is going to easily wash off. So it's a super nice feature.
This will come standard with the 6-point hydraulic leveling, correct?
This does. It comes 6-point hydraulic leveling. It's got the one-touch system in it so that you control it from an app base on your phone. So if you want to stand back from 15, 20 feet away and watch your slide outs go out, level this unit up, you can do it all from the touch of your phone, along with the manual switches that are in front too. This is the Stormwar storage. You've got 3 spots that you can load this thing at. You've got one on the door side, one on the outdoor side, and in the front. But with us placing the generator below the floor, you gain right around 15 more square feet of storage. You just don't see that in double axle units because they're small. You've got 38 feet of awning. Get you out of the sun if it rains. You'll notice there's no slides on this door side. Most people do their activity over here, right? No one wants to slide out in the middle of their unit that's sticking out. That's going to get in the way.
Sure.
It's going to cause a little more turbulence there. But what we've also done is we put an outside kitchen on this thing, which is awesome. You've got your cold water spray port, 2-burner cooktop on here, so basically for warming up food and anything like that. Along with lighting out here, it's nice to have a little ambient glow at night. Of course, more storage, right? Storage is key everywhere. And then along with that, you're gonna have a mini fridge.
You've got the backlit LED integrated for, entertaining at night.
Yep.
You also have speakers, I see, which are probably, I assume, going to be tied to the one-touch system.
Yep.
Being able to control your audio from your phone.
Yep. And what's great is their JBL speakers too, so they've got a real great, clean, crisp sound. It's not just your cheap, ordinary RV speakers on this thing. You get into a 2-axle unit, lots of times they're really small. You don't have a lot of seating. You can't have cross-conversational seating. And 2, lack of countertop space in most of these double axle units. There is no shortage of countertop space at all, Will. I mean, it's over an arm length here, not including what you're getting here and your second tier back here. You're gonna have your solid surface dinette. That's a full 3-foot by 40-inch table, along with your pull-out stools. Yeah, full height cabinetry all the way to the ceiling. So you're getting about 20% more storage. Your large residential microwave, along with your Furrion cooktop Master Chef oven. Your 18-cube refrigerator is standard on these things, along with the choice or option of a residential. What's also great about this, Will, is that it's a 4-seat couch. Plenty of room, along with being able to flip those seats and use them as theater seating, straight across view to your TV. It doesn't get really much better than this in a double axle unit.
You got a 13-foot garage on 2 axles.
Exactly.
What all is going to be standard here?
So everything you see here is going to be standard, Will. It's going to fit any side-by-side there is out there. Along with that, you're going to have your half bath. People use it as a second bedroom.
Sure.
And that's probably about 40% of our buyers out there. This foldable wall here actually pulls in place. This wall opens, and this will flip inside, and it closes up. You have a true bathroom back here with plenty of space.
You also have the Happy Jack system here.
Exactly. Those are 2 queen beds, and this goes down.
Got a bunk with the integrated ladder.
Most guys, you have to take a ladder. You don't know where to put it, right? This thing right here, it's always in the wall. It's all integrated. You're never going to have to worry about trying to lug that thing around.
And in case any of you are wondering, yes, this floor plan will come standard with washer and dryer prep.
As you can see in this bedroom, there's a lot more room. We've made an east-west bed with a complete tilting system, so you can sit up, read your books, watch TV. You even need a little more space for CPAP machines, along with plug-ins, USBs, lots of light. Just a nice little cubby here for your typical stuff. And then along with that, you've still got your nightstand on the other side, along with reading lights, storage above, and of course, there's more walk room space than we've ever seen, especially compared to your north-south bedroom. So we've tried to hit every point on this thing.
Complete redesign, 1,000 pounds lighter, 13-foot garage, half bathroom. If you want more information on the all-new 2021 Cyclone 3713, go to heartlandrvs.com, or if you want to give us a call, what is the best number for them to call?
Best number from the call is 877-262-8032.
Thanks.